suddenly confirm? You said you'd like to change for the flights, right?
Yes, whatever will get me to London the fastest. We are supposed to be in Norway right now in a camper van, but our flight got delayed 24 hours. This is not how I wanted to start this trip, but we can only go up from here.
Silly you, what did you think? He stayed for life 'cause he bought you a drink. Just get disease.
Our flight has been delayed once again to 10:12. We'll update you guys when we get through JFK. We have made it to JFK. And now we got a while till our next flight to London. We've set up camp for the night. We're about to hit the hay. Catch you in Europe. We are at this airport and we can't even go through security. There's people lined up. I'll include a picture. We're just trying to make it to Norway. We didn't even make it to London. We just came to the airport.
You guys see Big Benjamin?
No, we didn't even go to London, bro.
We didn't see that.
We met up with Trayson. The rest of the gang's inside. We just went out to catch some fresh air.
Gang's all here.
I don't even know if we're gonna catch some rest. I think we're just gonna pull an all-nighter.
What up, Jack? Yo, what's going on? Come here.
It's you too, dude.
What's going on, bro? The gang's all here. What's going on, guys? What's up, boys? What's going on?
What we got going on here?
I don't know. They just had some bread, and it's fire. Let me tell you about it. Fucking look at it. Check the peelage. Bella.
We're somewhere in Norway. There's mountains and such around. Kind of just driving in our little camper van. It's pretty sick. Pretty decent rig if I do say so myself, and it happens to be a
5-speed manual. You know what I'm saying? That's all they do it. Out here in Norway. Got the bread, got the manual, got the boys. Just happy to be back with my friends. It's been too long. Oh yeah, it's like that. Oh!
What's going on right now, man?
A whole lot of chilly activities. Like that.
It's wild. The peaks are so rigid that we're going towards over yonder. Absolutely insane.
All right, Trey. Odds 1 to 5. You hop in this waterfall right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1. Whoa! Oh, your turn. What do you mean my turn? Let's go.
This is wild. We're just driving and boom, massive waterfall. Insane. We have woke up in our humble abode. That was it, up there. That is our Airbnb for the night, and we woke up in this valley just full of mountains. And the boys and the girls are going for a little polar plunge right now in this river, and there's still snow around. So we'll see how this pans out.
Amazing. I can't feel my body, but I feel great. Oh! That was amazing. That's what we needed to get this Norway adventure started.
That is the cribbo. And there's our little camper. We're gonna chef up, cook some grub, get ready for the day, and attack this wonderful place. Where are we going? We're going to a lake on the glacier, right up over yonder. Taking a nice walk there instead of driving. So who needs cars? We took a dip in that river earlier. Got some food, some coffee. Oh, I forgot the coffee. That is the glacier, along with this wonderful view of this little valley we're in. How do you rate this hike on a scale of 1 to 10?
Insane. I've actually never done anything like it. 10. 10 out of 10. No complaints.
We're heading back down the hill. Let's go get some food, because I'm starving. We are saying goodbye to this wonderful view, and we are driving back towards Oslo to catch a flight to France. We're going to Nice and Monaco. This view is going to be gone, but not be forgotten.
What up, gang? As said Vlad, met boss man over here. Oh. State your name and occupation.
Paolo, mafioso.
Paolo. What language do you speak, Paolo?
Italian, Sicilian,
Speak
English,
small.
Russian.
Paolo, you should give yourself a little introduction.
We have arrived in France. We are currently in Nice, right by the ocean, right by the water. It was rainy yesterday, so the camera did not come out at all. Here's our view from outside the window. But we're going out to do a little adventuring, get some breakfast, and see where the day takes us.
We're at the top of the waterfall.
It's not how they speak here. Oui, monsieur, mademoiselle.
We're going over there towards Monaco. I'm interested in how many supercars / Ferraris and nice cars we can see in Monaco, because that's what they're known for. We have made it to Monaco, and we are on the F1 course right now. In about a couple days, there's gonna be F1 cars racing down this strip. Now, I wish we could stay for it, but we are going to be in a different country by then. But this is sick. Here's Monaco.
We are here at Monaco Bay Harbor, admiring all these beautiful boats here.
Okay, well, yeah, we're just walking
Billions of dollars in boats here. Quite impressive.
I spotted a Ferrari.
Ferrari? Is a Ferrari?
Leaving Monaco, heading back to Nice, and then we are going to Marseille tomorrow for some more adventures before we hit the Dolomites in Italy. We have arrived in the town of Marseille. Just got some food, and we're walking around until our flight. Our flight is until later, so we got a little while. We are out of here and we are heading to Italy, to Venice. And we have a camper van rented tomorrow, and we're trying to pick it up tonight to sleep in it because Airbnbs are expensione. So we're trying to see what our best option is. But we're hitting the Dolomites and it's gonna be sick. But we have a short 1 hour and 15-minute flight ahead of us today.
Si, senor. Señoritas en más pantalones.
I got nothing to say after Trey.
Hola, amigos. We have picked up our van.
He stayed for life 'cause he bought you a drink. She'll skip the seas.
Cadini di
Hey,
Serena,
please.
transition.
It's true.